No weekly for report mar Miguna jal manigi nying ariyo waboneno kaka weche dhi. Ka odhi nyime kanisa e bwo duol mateo kanisa e pachoka NCCK koro golo duonde wangi maneno kaka chenro mar goyo gi kogno dhi rumo. Gimedo seyo bad migawo mar doho kuom bedo gi samuoyo mar yalo buche mag mibadhi ma osepedho nyimgi. Mibadhi mamien moko kuom jotelo ma pachoka. Ka gitwak gi jofwambo bang' tieko romo mar ndalo ariyo Kisumu, jakom mar NCCK bad Manyanza Bishop David Kodia omedo seyo wach mar puodho cham molos gi nyinyo mano jiemo. Kodia wacho ni jiemo nyalo kelo midhiero ne ngima jo Kenya.
Many of you, that is the area 90s. You are young and a youth. I can see the men of God.
The judiciary had equally been let down in the fight for corruption, against corruption. We call upon the head of the judiciary to ensure that all cases touching on graft are fast-tracked and justice awarded to Kenyans. Corruption amongst the judicial officers must be investigated and culprits brought to book. Anyone who is already charged with corruption must equally be barred from taking up any public office in this country. To us, that is an insult. And it's an abuse of power. Even for the people to allow, even for the interviewing panel in the first place to vet and approve such people, we are going to see. They have not given any approval, so we are yet to see whether it was an exercise in futility. We are yet to see. So let's give Wetangula's committee time. We ask His Excellency President Dr. William Samoei Ruto to halt his administration's plan of using GMO as alternative to Kenyans' food. So the government must now revive what used to be there as extension agricultural officers. These people are trained to help farmers to better their farming.